park. If I won't. Oh, you love me. If you had a different guy that brought you to the maze, they're probably dead. I don't care. Yeah. Oh. So, Peter. I don't know if it was Peter or not, but you have Sarah now. Sarah. Oh, Peter. Weidman, that man is special, I'll tell you that. We got Alan here behind the wheel. Alan's going to take good care of us. Now, apparently there's a delay up ahead, so we've had some problems. Yeah, so I got security here I got to check in with, and oh, he's flirting again. Oh, yeah, he knows.
Yeah, hey, what's up?
What's the delay going on up ahead?
Nah. Some kid just dropped this doll on the train.
That's not a doll. That's Chucky. Yeah, that's right.
Who's Chucky?
Oh, come on. You know who Chucky is. Uh-oh. Okay. Don't worry. I'm going to check in with my supervisor, make sure everything's okay.
Santa, this is Chucky. How may I kill you?
Wait, Chucky? What have you done with my supervisor?
Who? This guy?
Yeah.
I killed him.
Oh, no.
Looks like I'm gonna kill all you little bastards.
Oh, Chucky, why would you do that?
You ruined my career! I had a nice little gig where I could say inappropriate things to underage children, but that wasn't good enough for you brats. You had to rat me out on YouTube. It's your fault my show got canceled, and now you're all gonna die.
Uh-oh. Okay, well, I have a brilliant idea. We're gonna hang out in this old abandoned tomb. And I think we'll be safe. We're gonna hang out here, and then, the walls are spinning. Craziness. Let me see if I can find someone at the park, like at dispatch or something, and find and stop us. Hello? Hello, dispatch. Gee, looks like Chucky got to all my coworkers. I'm trying. Okay, wait. Oh, wait, here's a technician. Maybe he can help us. Hello, technician. Hey, make these walls stop spinning. Hello? Hello?
It's okay. It's all right. Everything's fine. We lost a sensor, but we're okay now. Anybody lose a doll? That's a devil.
All right, kiddies, time to die. In 10 seconds, your little trammy tram is gonna be sprayed with acid, and not the fun kind. Oh, and Tordues, I'll be taking your body if you don't mind. Ude due dembala. Give me the power, I beg of you!
Wow. You guys are fun. Because I love you all so much, I'm going to play some more Chucky dancing for you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This one comes the rap, too. So just wait for it. The rap's going to start in a second. Yeah. Well, somebody wrote a rap about Chucky. It was you.
Cut him up.
Cut him up.
Ooh, look at the big time stunner. Cruising down Mulholland in a new Hummer. You know we stole it. You know I stay rolling. Me and my boy, we ride like soldiers. Big Chucky. Ooh, I'm so lucky. I'm a murderous psychopath toy. They can't touch me. I'm killer than MJ's Thriller.
Better than MJ's Thriller.
Whoever thought that I was a joke? Oh, I slit their throat, then drank a rum and coke. Oh, I did movie, I'm iller than ever. Tougher than leather, getting way more clever. Yeah, everybody in the club feeling this. A big Chucky with his son, and of course it's Mrs. Oh, so beware if you got a flat tire. Slap Jason, Freddy Krueger, and even Michael Myers. Cut it up, cut it up, cut it up, cut it up, cut it up. Cut it up, cut it up. Jesus, the music scene's gone to hell since I've been dead.
Yeah, rock it You've been one of my favorite trams of the evening. Once again, my name is Sarah, apparently here to the front car. Sarah, or you can also call me Kat. We got Alan. Oh, that's my name though. And we got Alan here behind the wheel. Let's give Alan a big round of applause. And I'm gonna send you off with some love. I'm gonna send you off with some Dancing Queen. How you guys feel about that? Yeah? Yeah? This is torture, right? Scary stuff. You guys are awesome. I love you. Have a wonderful evening.